So this is the infix notation, infix notation. So now we are trying to convert this infix notation to the prefix notation. So first of all, our step is to reverse this infix notation. So we are trying to reverse this infix notation. Okay, so it is like this. From this side it starts. So this, if we get this right parenthesis, we are reversing it like this. Okay, and then G minus E caret E power sign D by C multiply D multiply, not D, it is multiply B, then plus A. And when we get this left parenthesis, we reverse it in the other direction. Okay, so like this. Okay, so next step is, now we start scanning from the left to right. Okay, so again we are maintaining the same tabular method, that is scan or input, and then is the stack. What is stack? It is maintaining, and the output expression. Okay, so what is the output expression? Okay, bear with me. Now once we start scanning, our symbol is this. So this is the first symbol. What we do, we push it in the stack. Okay, go through the algorithm also, push in the stack. Now our output is empty. Next scanning symbol is G. So now next scanning symbol is G, and our stack is same. Stack will be bracket, as well as we get this as an operand, so it will be put into our output expression. Okay, this is G. Next is like minus. So once minus come and our stack having this symbol, so what we do, we push it in the stack. Okay, expression is sim. Next is like, what is the input? F. Okay, now F is an operand, so we simply append it with our output expression, that is G F. Next, what is the symbol? This is the caret symbol. Okay, power symbol. So this is higher precedence than our top of the stack. Top of the stack is minus, and this is the power symbol, and which is having more precedence than this. Okay, so what we do, we push it into the stack. Okay, expression is same. Next is E. So E minus, so we simply append it into our expression. Okay, next is this again symbol, that is power symbol. That is power symbol. We scan it. So now we see that what is in on top of our stack. Our stack is having already this power symbol, and we are again scanning same power caret symbol. So these two having same precedence. Okay, same precedence, equal precedence. So we need to check the associativity rule. So associativity rule for this is right to left. So in this case, now for right to left, what we do, first we pop the element from the stack, and then pop the element and append it to the expression, and then we push this operator to the stack. So first we pop this one from the stack, that is G F E caret, and now we push this caret to the stack. Okay, this power symbol to the operator to the stack. Okay, so it is just opposite to our postfix expression. In postfix we were doing just reverse of it. Okay, in postfix when it is right to left, what we were doing, we were just pushing it. Now this time it is the reverse thing. Okay, next is, what is our operand? Is D. We simply add it to our expression, append it with our expression. Okay, next what is our operator? Divide. Now once this divide come, you can see divide is less powerful, means lower precedence than this power operator. So first we need to pop this caret operator from the stack, and then we need to push it into the stack. Okay, so we first pop it out. And now we need to push it into the stack. Now what is the stack top? Minus is lower precedence than this, so we need to push it into the stack. Okay, next C is an operand, so we directly put it into the, append it with the expression. Okay, done. Next, what is the operator? Star. Now once we go to the stack and check, stack already having divide, and this is multiplication, so both having same precedence, so what we need to check? Associative rule. Its associative rule is left to right. In this case, what we do when it is left to right, first we need to push this operator into the stack. So we push this operator into the stack. So it's just reverse of the other method. Okay, so now we are pushing the operator into the stack. This is same. This is same. Now what is the next operator? Is B. We just need to append it with our expression G F E D C B. Okay, then next is plus. So once plus comes, we are inputting plus, so we need to check what is the what is there in top of the stack. What we need in the top of the stack is multiply, which is higher precedence than the plus, so we need to pop it out from the stack. So we need to pop this out from the stack and append it to the expression, that is G F E caret D C B, and then multiply. Okay, now we have popped this out from the stack. Now what the stack having? Stack having this one. Okay, so now we need to compare with this two. So this is also higher precedence than plus, so we need to pop it out from the stack. So we pop it out from the stack, and now we check our stack is having only minus now. Okay, these two are popped out. So these two are having same precedence, plus and minus having same precedence. So we need, so same precedence, and what is the associative rule? Minus, left to right. So first we need to push it into the stack. So we pushed it into the stack. Next operator is what is? A. So we put A as the scan symbol, and then what is in the stack is this, and we just need to append this A into the expression. Okay, done. Now what is the last symbol? That is this closing opposite one. So once we put this this symbol, so what we need to do when we get this symbol, we need to pop all the operators in our stack and till we get the other symbol like this. So we all pop this elements from the stack and append it with our expression. So we are popping it out from the stack and appending it with the expression. Okay, first plus, then minus, till here. So now what we do, we simply in last step what we have this only, right? So we need to pop it out from the stack and don't need to append it with the expression. So lastly what we do, we popped it out. Our stack is now empty. Stack is empty, and our expression that we get is like this. So this one we get as an output expression. Now what we need to do, we just need to reverse this expression, again reverse this expression to get the prefix notation. So we just reverse it if we reverse it, we get, what is the reverse expression over there? Like minus plus a by star b c caret d caret e f g. So this is the actual prefix notation. Okay, this is the actual prefix notation of this infix notation. Okay, of this infix notation, this is the prefix notation.